Welcome to our ultimate guide on studying in Europe. Europe is home to some of the world's oldest and most prestigious universities, offering a unique and enriching educational experience. In this video, we'll cover everything from choosing the right country and program to navigating the application process, funding your studies, and adjusting to life abroad. So, if you're thinking about studying in Europe, stick around to learn everything you need to get started.
Why study in Europe? Why should you consider studying in Europe? First, Europe is renowned for its high-quality education and diverse programs, often taught in English. You will have access to some of the world's top universities such as Oxford, Cambridge, ETH, Zurich, and Sorbonne. Another major advantage is the affordability. Many European countries offer low or even free tuition for international students, especially in places like Germany, Norway, Finland. Europe also offers incredible cultural experiences with easy access to travel across multiple countries, a rich history, and vibrant student communities. Choosing the right country and program. Choosing the right country and program is the first step. Each country has its own educational system, benefits, and language requirements. For instance, Germany is famous for engineering and science programs with many tuition fee options even for international students. The UK is a great choice for business and the arts but comes with higher tuition fees. France, known for its arts and culinary schools, also offers many English taught programs. The Netherlands is a popular destination for programs in technology and innovation. Consider factors like language, tuition fees, living costs, and the type of education you're looking for when deciding on a country. Application process. The application process in Europe varies by country and university. However, most require an online application through the platforms like UCAS for the UK, DARD for Germany, or StudyLink for Netherlands. Key components typically include a strong statement of purpose, academic transcripts, letters of recommendation, and sometimes standardized tests like the IELTS, TOEFL for language proficiency. Make sure to check each university's specific requirements. Deadlines vary, but generally, you should start preparing a year in advance. Some countries, like the UK, have already early deadlines, so don't miss them. Tuition fee and scholarships. One of the biggest perks of studying in Europe is affordability. Many countries offer free or low-cost education for international students. In Germany, for example, most public universities only charge administrative fees, while in countries like Norway, education fee is free, regardless of nationality. However, countries like the UK and Switzerland have higher tuition fees. To fund your studies, look for scholarships from the European Commission's Erasmus or university-specific grants. Additionally, some countries offer generous student discounts for public transport, cultural activities, and more. Student visa and immigration. To study in Europe, you will need a student visa or residence permit depending on the country. For EU or EEA students, studying in another EU country is quite simple, but non-EU students will need a visa. For the UK, you will apply a student visa, which requires proof of admission, financial stability, and an English language proficiency test. Germany requires you to apply for a national visa, and you must prove you have enough funds to cover your expenses. Always check your chosen country's embassy website for the most accurate and up-to-date visa information. Living in Europe. Living in Europe is an adventure, but it's important to be prepared. The cost of living varies widely. In cities like London and Paris, expenses can be high, while cities in Eastern Europe are much more affordable, budget-friendly. Accommodation options include student dorms, shared apartments, or private rentals. Public transport is efficient and widely used, and students often get discounted travel passes. Don't forget to explore the local culture, learn some basic phrases in the local language, and immerse yourself in European style. Language and cultural adaptation. While many programs are offered in English, knowing the local language can be helpful and enrich your experience. Take advantage of language courses offered by universities or apps like Duolingo to learn basic phrases. Adapting to a new culture can be challenging, but getting involved in student organizations and attending cultural events can make the transition smoother. Job opportunities and working while studying. Europe offers plenty of job opportunities to gain work experience during and after your studies. Many countries allow international students to work part-time while studying. For example, in Germany, you can work up to 20 hours a week during the semester. In UK, international students can work 20 hours per week during term time. After graduation, countries like Germany and Netherlands offer post-study work visas, allowing you to look for a job and kickstart your career. Make sure to understand the regulations in your country of choice as they vary. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when planning to study in Europe. Not researching the language requirements for your chosen country, underestimating the cost of living, or waiting until the last minute to apply for a visa. Always make sure to budget properly and have all your paperwork in order.
That's everything you need to know about studying in Europe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Drop your questions or video suggestions in the comments below, and we'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your European study adventure.